I'd like to welcome each one of you to Geology 1401 H3, and as we embark on this new semester to gain more insights into astronomy and meteorology. So you'll be looking at those two subjects as we go through the course of the semester from January to May. You're taking this course at a very good time meteorologically, as we see our greatest severe weather threat beginning towards the middle end of February through the early part of June, when we see our dramatic severe thunderstorms, sometimes accompanied with damaging hail, damaging lightning, and the thunder, and even sometimes those tornadoes do form from the severe weather. So you're taking this course at a really good semester. I want to give you some information about taking a science course with the lab in which you've signed up for. It is like taking two courses. You have the lecture component and you have the lab component. Your lab work will be done outside of class, and of course the in class will be once a week on Thursdays from 3:30 to 4:45. Now, with that said, it being like two classes, you're going to be very busy. There is no science course with a lab that you can take, whether it be biology, chemistry, physics, physical geology, or meteorology, astronomy, as you're taking, that won't be time consuming with the reading in the textbook, reading in the lab manual, quizzes, labs to do. You're going to be very busy. If you do not put the time in for this course, it will be very difficult for you to be successful, and I want you to understand that from the very beginning, that this is a science lab course and it will take a lot of reading and a lot of time on your part as a student to be successful to get the grade that you want. Now, each weekly session will open at 12 a.m. each Thursday. Now, inside that weekly course session that opens every Thursday at 12 a.m., you will see a folder that has PowerPoints that I will be teaching from in the classroom, and you'll find a vocabulary term sheet that has the important vocabulary terms that you need to make sure you understand from reading, because I will not address each of them in the lecture, so you're going to have to do the reading to understand all the terms on that term sheet. Also, in each weekly course session, you will find an online quiz that you will not want to take until you have read and looked at the PowerPoint lectures, also read the chapter in the textbook. Then you'll want to take the quiz online. The weekly quizzes open at 12 a.m. each Thursday morning, close promptly at 11:59 each Wednesday evening, and they will not be opened up again. You must take it within that 7-day time frame. Now, your labs will be found online Blackboard. You will find a category that says labs, a lab tab, and each one of your labs will open at 12 a.m. each Thursday, and the folder for that lab for that session will close promptly at 3:30 each Thursday. So you're going to have to make sure you've completed that lab. We'll talk more about the labs in class as you will be turning in your labs to me each Thursday in a folder. We'll discuss that in class on the first day of class. Again, I'd like to welcome you to my course. I'm very glad that you're in my class. I want to wish you success. I'm a very approachable professor for you to come to in my office. Just make an appointment with me, and I will be very glad to give you my time in this course. So, as the semester's kicking off, let's get started.